Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Notebook Maths. Today I am going to solve here very important problem from integration chapter. Okay, that is integrate sin power 4x is given. So I am going to start now how to solve this problem. So watch complete video so that you can understand each and every step clearly. Given here integrate sin power 4x dx. Okay, we can write this one to simplify this sin power 4 as sin square x whole square dx. So now we don't have any formula, so from this, so actually we have cos 2 theta equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta is the formula. So from this we can get sin square theta formula. So 2 sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta. Okay, from this sin square theta equal to what? 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. Okay, so we are having now sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. Now apply this formula in this above step. So now integration of sin square, we can write this 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2 whole square dx. Okay, now this is in the form of a minus b whole square. This constant comes to outside. I am taking this 2 square means 4, writing outside, and 1 minus cos 2 theta whole square. Okay, cos 2 theta whole square dx. So a minus b whole square form. So simplify this as 1 square minus cos square 2x plus 2 into minus 2 into cos 2x. Okay, into dx. Okay, 1 square means 1 plus cos square 2x as it is minus 2 cos 2x dx. Okay, so now we have to integrate this step. 1 by 4 integration of 1 dx. Okay, plus separating this terms with integration. Okay, cos square 2x dx minus integration 2 constant cos 2x dx. Okay, now integrate these terms. 1 by 4 is common to all. So 1 by 4 is common to all. So 1 by 4, 1 means x, cos 2x means sin 2x by 2. Okay, this 2 get cancelled. 1 by 4 whole bracket x minus sin 2x I am writing here, and next term, that is we are going to solve this, simplify cos square 2x is remaining to integrate. Okay, now very easily 1 by 4 x minus sin 2x plus integration of cos square 2x dx is there. Okay, now what we have to find here, which formula we have to use here? Cos square 2 theta. That is from here cos 2 theta is there. 2 cos square theta minus 1. From this formula we can find out cos square theta. So cos 2 theta, cos square theta equal to 2 cos square theta equal to, this one goes to this side, becomes cos 2 theta plus 1. Okay, cos square theta equal to 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2 is there. So what is there? We have to find cos square 2x formula. So here we have cos square theta. Then cos square 2 theta means how much? 1 plus cos 4 theta by 2. This is the actual formula. Okay, now apply this formula. This step I am writing here 1 by 4. Actually we have x minus sin 2x plus, what is there? Cos square 2 theta means cos square 2x is there in terms of x. We have to write integration of 1 plus cos 4 x by 2. Okay, dx. Okay, this is the actual step we want. 1 by 4, this as it is we have to write here sin 2x plus, now this 2 comes outside, that is 1 by 2 integration of 1 dx. I am separating. Okay, here 1 by 2 is whole for 2 terms, integration of cos 4x dx. Okay, x minus sin 2x is as it is 1 by 2. I am writing here outside, integrate this 1, we get x here, and cos 4x, we know the formula cos ax, integration of cos ax is sin ax by a. So sin 4x by 4. Okay, completed this terms integration. By 4 we have to take inside. So 1 by 4x minus sin 2x by 4 plus this 1 by 2 already is there, 1 by 2, 1 by 4 into 1 by 2x plus 1 by 4 into 1 by 2 into 4, that is 1 by 8 1 by 8 into sin 4x plus c. Now multiply these terms, and here x term is there, here also x term, that is 1 by 4x and 1 by 8x minus sin 2x by 4. Okay, sin 2x by 4 plus 1 by 4 8 is 32 sin 4x plus c. Okay, it is LCM. 4 2s are 8, 1s are 2, 2 plus 1 is 3x minus sin 2x by 4 is second term, that is 1 by 32 sin 4x plus c. So this is the final step. This one is the 3 by 8x minus sin 2x by 4 plus 1 by 32 sin 4x plus c is the solution of this question. Watch complete video so that you can understand each and every step. Okay, very important question. Okay, thank you for watching. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you.